everyone, Sowson here, welcome back to my kitchen. Pink salmon's on the menu today, green asparagus and our baked potatoes. We're going to mush them up for you. There is no excuses that you can't cook a 15-minute meal. Let's get started. Okay, we're starting with our baked potatoes. We're going to put them in the oven first. We have preheated our oven to 200 Celsius and it should take about 10-15 minutes. A little bit of paprika. A little olive oil. Then we're going to put it in our tray. I put a sheet down on my baking tray so it doesn't stick. There you are. And we're going to bake these for about 10-15 minutes. Here we go. Just got our aluminium foil. Now this is what the children will love to see when they come home from school. It is crazy. We're going to salt. Just imagine you cooking this and the kids coming home from school and opening their little packages. This is the way you get the kids to eat fish. Okay, now with this, we snap at the weakest point, and then the rest we can just slice up. See? Now I'm just going to get a slice of chili. That's it. Just open it up and release the heat. That's it, with the seeds. And I've got some lemon. Okay, a little bit more. That's it. A little bit more pepper. Look how easy it took. Didn't take any time at all. And a little drizzle of olive oil. That's it. Perfect. Now just watch the package. That's it. Just taking it out of the oven. Just going to pull a few out so I can show you how beautiful. Now the paprika is what made this go nice and brown. See? It's the paprika. It's amazing what paprika can do. Okay, now I'm just going to come over here. Let's grab this one. Look at that. That's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. It's just too hot to eat. And this is, now you can, I like to serve it up in its foil. It looks a little bit rustic, but it looks amazing. I'm going to get stuck into this. Here we go. Oh, it's still got a crunch in it. That's what we wanted, the crunch. So the salmon is soft, the potatoes are soft, and we got a crunch on this.